Hello guys, welcome to the final update regarding the competition that I told you guys about. Here we have the competition account. As you can see, we finished number 37th of the competition. Actually, I was a bit higher than that, but you know, I was at 30. I should have finished around 30, 31, but then I took some losses, took me back to 37, which is still okay because when you finish 30, 31st, you're going to, or even 50, you're going to end up with a 10k account anyway. So I'm happy to finish 39. I got 10k account, and then this it becomes more exciting from here, guys, because we're going to embark on the journey to six-figure funding, because everything that I'm going to do on this account is going to be documented on my YouTube channel. We were going to, on the funding episode, we're going to take this thing and see, pass it, get funded, withdraw, go for more accounts, and then we eventually scale up to six-figure accounts, right? So I'm just going to run you through the performance of the account. So we see this is a 28%, which is not bad. So as you can see, this is the equity um graph, going up, coming down. I mean, it looks like this. It looks exactly like this. It can't it can get it can get a little, okay. Well, it can get a little, as you can see, this is the equity curve, always up. And then on the account, we have a profit factor of 2.7, which is something that I kind of emphasized on the other day, that if you have a profit factor that is above 2, then you have no worry, because once your profit factor is 2 and above, definitely everything is going right for you. I mean, you're going to make profit. That's what I'm saying. We took positions count 91 positions, total win 36k, average profit 789, total loss 13k, average loss 296. Now, you see the way the average loss is lesser than the average profit. This is how it has to be, because a lot of people, the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Like, you don't want to be doing that. You have to make sure your loss is very, very minimal compared to your wins, especially when it comes to the average. So this is a held one. This is almost like 2 to 3, 1 to 3 average profits loss ratio, which is good. Then average risk to reward is 1.2. Actually, that again, yeah, is okay, but 1.3 and above is better. Like I said, the success rate here is 50.55. See, the last time we were actually around 29 success rate, but now we are 50. And I think, like I always tell you guys, that success rate doesn't really matter. The most important thing here is the average risk reward and the profit factor. Those are the things that are important, and the average profit or loss again. But I think everything is normal here. As you can see, those are the pairs that I took. I think my most traded pair here was definitely gold. As you can see, 29%, followed by Euro USD, followed by AUD NZD, and then German 30 to then AUD card. So I actually took 5 pairs on this account, 5 different pairs. As you can see, this is the win ratio again, which is good. And then those are all the profits, all the trades. That's okay. Um, Actually, you can just run down through. As you can see, these are all the trades. Those ones are actually, this one is actually a break-even trade, so to speak. So guys, um, this is that about here. So let's go to the account. Copper. So it's actually a copper account. This is um the program terms and recommendations. Profit target 5%. This model has 4 phases of trader skill verification. In the first training phase, the trader must achieve 5% appreciation within 999 days. And the second, third, and fourth training phases, the same 5%. All trades need to be closed manually or by using TP. Profit needs to be credited to the balance, okay? Time limits. We have no time limit. Number of trades. I think this is the most important rules right here. The minimum number of trades in this trading program is 4 trades in each of the phases. These are retrades, and no volume splitting into smaller part or additional small trade will be counted. A retrade is an independent, separate trade trading some current market situation. These conditions serve us to filter out gamblers from fraudulent and inappropriate trader behavior, and is necessary to determine whether the trader actually knows what they are doing or simply has good luck. Please note that your account will be closed once the profit target is reached. Therefore, carefully consider your trades to ensure you do not reach your profit before meeting the required number of retrades. A manual check of the number of real trades will take place after passing the final phase and may result in having to repeat one of the program phases. Like I said, this is most important one. We need to carefully do this, but I'm not going to worry about it because we're only going to be risking 0.5% per trade. So we just have to be like, okay, if we are winning on a positive um equity, so all we have to do is to be like, okay, break it down. Let's say we go for 2% or 3% initially, then we go for 1%, which is going to make it 4, and then we'll go to split the remaining one into 0.5, and then once that achieve the goals of the 4 trades. We're going to do that in every phases because actually we're going to we have same profit target for all the phases, so that's not a problem. I think that's the most important one. The maximum drawdown is 10%, the daily is 5%, like usual. And then is this thing, am I worried about these rules? Definitely, I think is something that I'm worried about because I just felt like, all right, they want us to fail, but that's not going to be the case here. We have to take it as a stepping stone. You know what? Because if we can overcome this kind of stuff, definitely we are going, like, we are becoming a different type of traders that have everything we needed to succeed in this game, right? So for me, I see it in the more optimistic side of, okay, you know what, this is an obstacle that I have to overcome, and once that is done, definitely I'm going to be a different type of trader. So which is why I'm not going to worry about that. It is fine, it is fine, we're going to take it as usual. So here is the account right here. As you can see, we've not taken a trade. $10,000 unrealized profit is still zero. Equity 10K. So this is the account now. So yeah, which is good. So for now, we're just going to embark on the funding episode, and then I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. So I'm going to do a video on how I think we can win a Profems account. I'm going to break down most of the things that I do. This is the, like I said, this is the fourth, yeah, this is the fourth account that I'm winning. This is the fourth account. I won two on Alpha Capital. I won one on the Funded Trader before they go into extinct, and then I won another one now, and I probably won another one next this month again. So just kidding. So I actually won for Profem's account. So I'm going to do a video on how I do this every single time. And then I believe once you replicate that, it is going to be a champion from a prop account competition. So guys and girls, see you on the challenge.